There are 25 leopards in the savannah. 15 leopards joined them. How many leopards are there now?
How many leopards were there in the first place? 25.
Mm-hmm.
And how many joined them? 15.
Mm-hmm. I want you to think about the powers of 10 that we've been working on. How can you solve this problem? Edith, what are you thinking?
I was thinking to add 1 to 2, and that would equal 3, and then 2 5s would equal 10. So I added that all together, and that equaled 40.
Okay, let's do another one. Now there are 27 leopards in the savannah.
27?
Mm-hmm.
Oops.
And 15 more join them. Think about the powers of 10 and how we've worked to the next decade today. See if you can use those strategies. Edith, what are you thinking?
I was thinking, I did the same thing last thing, except I figured out that there was a 7, not 2 5s. So then I had to figure out what was 7, and then to equal 10, 7 plus 3 it would be. So I just added 3 of my 5 in my 5, and then I had 2 more left, so I said 42.
Okay, this time I want you to do it without a pen, and I want you to only do it in your head. Okay? Maybe while you're doing it in your head, you might think about the chart that we've been building. Okay? And you might think about the bead string that we've been practicing or your mats. But you're going to think about them. We're not going to use them. Put it back down, Maddie. All right, this time there were 43 leopards in the savannah, and 17 joined them.
43?
$17 joined them.
Right. Put your thumb up when you think you know for sure. All right, who wants to share their thinking? Okay, Maddie, you go first this time.
59 cheetahs.
Why?
Leopards.
Why?
Because
Tell me how you counted.
I took that board and I did to 43. I counted. So, then on my fingers I did 5. I know 5 plus 5 is 10, so I did 5 and 5 to make 10. And then I counted 7 more.
Okay. Jeannie, what were you thinking?
I was kind of do a strategy like this, so I had 43, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then 17 at the bottom, and then I added 3 and 7, that makes 10, so put the 0 down there, then put the 1 on top of the 4, and then I added 4, 5, 6, and I got 6.
Okay. 60 you got. What did you get?
60.
And what were you thinking?
I was at first I heard it. I was just checking at the chart, and I used the chart, and I knew that like a teen, well, the 1 in 17 is a 10, so I added that, and that would equal 50 something.
Mm-hmm.
So
10 plus the 30, but plus the other number was what? What did we start with? How many leopards?
40.
43. So, and you added 10 to that?
Yeah, but at first I didn't know what it equaled on 50 something. So then I decided to add a 7 to 3, and that would equal 50.
And then what did you do? Because you said the answer was 60, not 50.
And then I added the teen to the 50, and that equaled 60.
Okay.